A wonderful day and Juma Mubarak to all of you. This is me, Shajib Ahmed, answering in front of you. Now I am going to play cricket with my local brothers, and I just come out from my home after having my breakfast, and it's really good day for everyone. That in this day you can do everything. You can stay free, you can go anywhere with your friends, you can spend your time, you can pass your time with playing cricket, badminton or football. So that I really love this match and this day very much. Now they are waiting for me. They call me two time that brother, please come with us to play, we have to start the match. So they are now waiting to play game with me. So I am going to start the match. So let's play the game. Babu jao, tomra bato. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And don't forget to follow and subscribe my page Shajib English Academy. Allah Hafiz.